Good day to everyone and anyone who's watching this video right now. This video is brought to you by the Relief Academy. You can hit the subscribe button to get more updates on educational, financial, and inspirational videos just like this. So if you have done that, let's proceed to why we're here today. On this video, we'll learn how to create and set up your Deriv synthetic account for trading. So let's get started. In the description box, you see my affiliate link to create your account, so click on it. I'm going to paste mine right here, so you see this link there on the description box. You click on it, it will take you to deriv.com. This is our broker for synthetic indices. So once you get to this page, you create a demo account first. You first create a demo account. So I just created this account for the purpose of this video. So let me just put in the email. You put in your email. You agree to the terms and create demo account. Once you create the demo account, they will send you a confirmation email that's used to activate your account. So I'm going to refresh the mail I created, and this is right here. So I'll verify the email, then I'll be taken back to the platform where I put in where I am living. So you go right there and put in where you're living, the country you're living. Next, you create your password. All right, so that's that for that. So once you create your password, then you have just noticed that password, that's what you use to log into the platform. So you see demo accounts where there's $10,000 in. So you click on the drop down. Once you click on it, it will drop down, then you see the real and the demo. We're on the demo side right now, so you click on the real and you click on add. You're adding the Deriv account. So now we are adding a fiat currency account. So let this just load for us. You can see there's USD dollar, euros, GBP, and Australian dollar. So you choose the currency you want your account to be on. I normally go with the USD. So whatsoever country or whatsoever currency you are going with, choose it. So USD. And also know you are seeing cryptocurrency account below. After creating your USD, feel free, go through the same process. You can create all the cryptocurrency accounts below, but do note, whatsoever USD account you create now, this is the account you are using throughout your experience on Deriv. You can't change it after you have chosen it now. So let's proceed. You put in your name. So next, you put in your line. So I'm just going to put one on I've used before. So I'm not a political exposed person. You agree to the terms and condition. You add account. So voila, but you are not depositing now, so you click on maybe later. So now you have created your USD account and you can see it here on the screen. So you click on the drop down once again, you see the synthetic account there. You click on add. As I told you earlier, just a minute, when you want to add other cryptocurrency account, you add or manage account, then you add the one you wish to make a deposit with. So let's proceed. You click on add synthetic account. When you are creating a synthetic account, you have another password for that account due to the fact that you are logging in on MT5. Yeah, you are using the MT5 platform for this account. So you create the password you are going to be using. So let me just go right in, because I'm not going to be using this account. I just created it for the purpose of our video. Yes, for the purpose of our video. Okay, so we'll create the DMT5 account. So do note, for the demo you can also do this, so maybe later. So now I'll show you how to log in on your MT5. So you copy the ID. This is the ID you use on logging in on MT5, and once you create an account, always take note of the server. Yes, the server you are on, because there's demo server, there's Deriv server. Let's just go right ahead and I'll show you guys that. So we'll go on the MT5 platform. Coming right up. Alright, once you want to log in the platform on your system, you click, you search for Deriv here, then Deriv, that's Deriv Limited. I already have it here because I've logged in before, but you that don't have it, you click here, search for it, find broker, then it will show up. You click on next. Connect with an existing account. Yes, connect with an existing account. The ID in which you copied, you paste it here. The password you created. Remember, Deriv server 2. Deriv server 2. So finish.
Incoming mail.
So if you notice, you have logged in the account here. So this is how you do it. So if you like this video, just do well, feel free to hit the thumbs up button, that's like it. You can share it to your friend for assistance.